Me chairman here in Edma PSG. Jose Mourinho's exploits in Rome has not gone unnoticed. Has not gone unnoticed. A baby bewa NSO. Jose Mourinho nyuma pa oyeno. And then Akuhia said PSG would need somebody who would stamp authority on a vanity project and make it a sporting project. Or no, no. Chelsea no, na enye bibiao. He brought them into the modern era limelight. Inter Milan coded that baby when they needed somebody to bring them into the modern era limelight in the Champions League. Me chairman Nekoye. We heard the yeah, Papa Mauricio Pellegrini. Oh yeah, on team no. You go find by no stop Barcelona for no ma Pep do like Gani.
That was Real Madrid.
Obey your word man sia. So to say.
No first match here share 5.
Enye but the we and the Gani here.
Pep when Gani.
Or G League na wanje.
Or G.
Or stop here at the end.
At the end
dominance no.
Aba she ya.
Here show about the G League no.
Our G.
Asembia.
Sambe G Copa de.
Mi redro bi anka dem.
Sokrani Bodura 16.
Kabiem.
Signi Bodura Satan no na Olympic Lyon. Juninho Pernambucano.
O shamo anyhow.
Oluda money.
Sidney Govu.
Bishop Abodi. No more Brazil ni bi obo ehwe fe ne Chris.
Ni Chris ni tiro kwabo. E na John Carrell so dey nim ho.
Sa no we
masa. Anya adwuma ketwa ne ye ka no tino. Wo hwe na adwuma na o ye no Jose Mourinho ofa ha no awura ha tactics no obe show sisi yi Manchester United last European trophy one eje.
Ayo no na dey o
masa. Aseme na oka. Na Tottenham for the omunima dey o mpe trophy a. Omo ko final omo pamo no. Wo pamo na unyi o.
Be jabo bo se.
Obe chinchim nyoma 89th minute slightly offside deflected thunderbolt bastard goal bram one day no Dominican am touch like oh trophy ni na aba no so pe trophy di house na ko but see baby I didn't know this Brony Beka say e twam foni ma yehu the kind of politics say PSG Luis Campos in the chrome ni ogidi say obetima ye adwuma ni ye nanso ahelefi etimi afiri ho akopiem e kata do ha ho akoka chempanyufo say there be adene de ebehwe a nkomo mfama Thiago Motta na say Thiago Motta anye yo mfama Nagelsmann. Thiago Motta is an ex-player,
yes,
an ex-youth coach, wa back genwa nyina be coach wa Italy or a Brazilian Italian, he said Jorginho. Then so sure ade ni dia ade anka ye pese se sane mamu still PSG pese omo ye politics ni bi manunti ene Jose Mourinho ye hwe ni mu say Nensa betimi aka adwuma no but say he's denied to Roman Penyufo and say on more contact.
Yeah.
But Jorge Mendes di hun commoding then Luis Campos. So I say because we share Portuguese players no modern ban and say any project now. Omujidi say omunyo obi o disciplinary kakra no what sporting project as here. He will lay a foundation that would go beyond the vanity project we are seeing with Messi, Neymar, Mbappe currently. And then PSG would need to return to the sporting front.
There's a winning bomb after Carlo Ancelotti na vina almost for coach papa.
Aye.
Ancelotti chini di omo
we for na corner for na.
But we get better omo pa. Three players na
and he would lay a foundation for them. Simple nyo na beji Champions League na mo.
Or the better one
ni wa be ba no. You know say there's a sporting project. And me masuma di aira me ring ira me ko party of Brazil and I me kwa ko Saudi Arabia we no sa no man be twam.
Abi am say PSG akese na omo fire no. Omo nyina ba be di omo hwambo.
Oh, obi ani who is Zlatan ene Cavani. Omo be so project no with La Bessie.
We dey cry no half for dia.
No omo ba na nsen ayi die.
Omo do omo be ku omo cry.
Mbappe is doing his bit. We numbers or dia omo. But it drew Karifi no so Karifi no enko. I have problems ni nyina.